Stop, you're using AI the hard way, and it's secretly wasting your time. Most people open AI and say things like, "Give me ideas, write something for me, help me with my business," and then complain, "AI isn't that smart. It gives generic answers. It doesn't really help." No, the problem isn't AI, it's how you're talking to it. Quick favor. Before we continue, hit like, subscribe, and save this video, because this one shift can completely change how you use AI forever. When you approach AI with clarity and specificity, the results transform. Instead of vague requests, be direct to ask for detailed solutions, tailored suggestions, or innovative strategies. This way you empower the AI to respond in a way that truly meets your needs. Remember, the right questions lead to the best answers. So let's rethink how we engage with this powerful tool. Here's the mistake: you give AI vague commands. AI is not magic, it's a precision tool. When you ask for something like business ideas, you may end up with boring answers. But when you're specific, like saying you are a beginner graphic designer in Nigeria with a Samsung A05s, and asking for low-cost services to sell online, that's where the power lies. Specific equals powerful, while vague equals useless. With a detailed approach, opportunities become clear. The graphic designer's confidence soars as they pinpoint services like logo design, social media management, or digital marketing strategies. This clarity not only directs the AI, but also opens doors to high-demand niches in the market, ensuring a successful venture. Remember, the specifics you provide transform the mundane into the extraordinary, showing just how powerful a well-crafted prompt can be. Imagine stepping into the role of a viral YouTube strategist tasked with creating a 30-second script that boldly highlights why hard work alone keeps you broke, all while maintaining a slightly controversial tone to engage high-retention viewers. Visualize this woman as she breaks down her actionable framework, guiding her audience through the role's contexts, goals, and constraints necessary to craft compelling scripts that resonate. Picture this vibrant team collaborating in an energetic brainstorming session, utilizing their practical framework to align their roles and constraints, all aimed at achieving their goal of crafting engaging and viral content. Envision this dedicated strategist meticulously reviewing his final script, drawing insights from viewer engagement data to ensure the message is both powerful and effective, ready to captivate audiences. Stop treating AI like Google. Start treating it like an assistant you're training. The better your instructions, the better your results. AI doesn't think for you. It amplifies how clearly you think. Try this immediately. Open AI right now. Rewrite your last prompt using role, context, goal constraints. Then watch the difference. And if you want, drop your prompt in the comments. I'll help you optimize it. Subscribe if you want to learn how to actually use AI like a pro. Because AI is not the future. Skillful AI users are. Imagine a world where your AI truly understands your needs. Picture yourself surrounded by a community eager to enhance their skills together, sharing insights and techniques in a lively workshop. See the excitement as individuals present their successes, showcasing how effective prompts can transform their AI interactions into powerful tools for creativity and productivity.